Sam, what's he doing on the TV? How does it go, Sam? Can you get it? Lift it up. That's right, Sam. Can you spin it around? Whee! Favorite movie. How does it go, Sam? What does he say? Dance, Sam. How does he dance? Show me how he dances. Just adjust your size. Well, not really. It's kind of big, but. Sam, can you sing it? How's he doing it? Do what he does. Almost 2 years old and a month. And his favorite movie is Singing in the Rain. Oh, you are so good at that, Sam. It's kind of big, huh? Is it all pink and pretty? Oh, it's almost done, Sam. Uh-oh. What does he say at this part? Singing in the rain. How's it go, Sam? Oh, need help? Need help? Just say please. Just say please. Sam, just say please. Say, good job.